Hello, my name is Victoria Cox. I am a student at Maryville College. Today, I will be showing you how to insert a table onto a Google Doc. To begin this process, I will assume that everyone already has a Google Drive account and is logged into their Google account. To begin, we will be on the Google main page. You will go to the top right and click on the small squares. This should give you all of your Google options. For this lesson, we are going to click on the Google Docs. Click this one time. This should take you to the Google Docs main page. To get a blank doc, you will go all the way to the left and click on the white box with the blue plus symbol in the middle. It should say blank underneath it. Click this one time. Once you are on your blank Google Doc, you will go up and hit Insert in the top left corner. Go down to the word Table. Hover over the word Table until it pulls up the small squares to the right. You will then go to the right and hover over until you see the size of the table you want to insert. For this example, I will do a 4x4 table. Once you are hovered over it, click the table so it will insert it automatically into your Google Doc. Once you have your table into your Google Doc, you can adjust the size many ways. One way is to hover over the line you want to adjust. I want to adjust the left-hand box to make it bigger, so I will click on this line and drag it to the right. Another way to adjust your boxes to make them bigger is to drag the bottom line down. I'm going to make all of my top boxes bigger by dragging the bottom line down. You can do this for each box. You can additionally right-click on the table and insert a column or row, or delete a column or a row. This should be all you need to know to begin inserting tables into your Google Docs.